How to change your username in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your username in Shopee. First, go to shopee.com in your web browser. Then click on your username in the top right corner. Choose My Account from the drop-down menu. After that, what you need to do is look for the profile section and click on it. Find the option to edit your username and click on it. Now, you need to enter your new username. So once you're done with all the steps and you've entered your new username, then you need to click on the Save button. After that, read the pop-up and click on OK. So that is exactly how you can change username in Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.